everyone, and welcome back to my studio. I hope you're having a good time. I'm ready to do some more blooming. I'm going to try something new. A lot of other painters suggested that I try the Sherwin colors to go for my base, so we're going to try that. I got a couple colors in and we're going to give that a whirl. So let's get down and I'll show you what we're going to do today. Okay, again today we're going to be working with my favorite eye candy pigments. Love these. If you haven't given them a try, you really should. I'm going to go through all the colors for you. Like I said, my base is going to be Sherwin-Williams. Now the beautiful, lovely color I have here is called Oceanside. That will be our base. I'm going to quickly go through all of these eye candy pigment colors. Baku Red, Kamenbudokai, which is a blue with red highlights. I've got 14K Nugget Gold, Penny Copper, Aoi Hi Blue, Hakashika, which is a iridescent white, Suiren Purple, Sibafu Green. I may be blowing these names, but you know, it's best I can do, guys. Kakiiro Orange, Macaw Blue Green, and Rainbow Blue. Then I also have Artist Loft Neon Pink, Artist Loft Vermillion, and Amsterdam Naples Yellow Deep for tube paints. And then my cell activators, which are all mixed with Aussie Floetrol, are going to be Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet and Amsterdam Titanium White. And I've got 3 of these nice little wood 6x6 canvas boards. They are nice little boards. They are taped on the back, and we are ready to go.
Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, next to you, next to you, next to you, right next to you.
Oh, gorgeous. And I'm loving where that new base coat is showing through some too. Oh, fabulous. All right, let me peel that guy up. Oh, look at that. Look at that shine. See that? Ooh, gorgeous.
Can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you.
Oh yeah. Look at that little pretty. Oop, they're in the sparkle zone. Oh yeah. All right, put that one down.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within, calling. This heavy load got under your skin, howling. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors. Right. Moments pass, make this one count. Untie. You're so good at dragging yourself down. Why? Well, there ain't much time left to figure things out. Deep underneath all the laser, your doubts. There's a heart gone out of rhythm in despair. Hell underwater, fine for air. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive.
All right. Wow. Wow. Okay, I'm going to pull this one up and show it to you, and then I will clean up some edges a bit and show you all three. Wow, look at that. That's gorgeous. So much sparkle. Oh. I don't know how much of that sparkle you can see, but wow. Okay, I'm going to give you one final look at each of these. Wet. Oh, the shimmer is gorgeous. Oh, I hope these dry well, because they are fabulous. That's the first one. Second one. Oh, you can definitely see the sparkle in this one. Look at that sparkle. Oh, awesome. And another sparkly one. Number 3. All right, now we wait and hope they dry well. Hang in there for dry results. Okay, everyone, I have dry results and I am very pleased. The Sherwin-Williams Color to Go in Oceanside dried beautifully. The color is awesome. I am thrilled with how these came out. This one, I think, even where some of the base sort of popped through, it's just gorgeous. I'm not sure if that's the Aoi Hi Blue or if that's the base, but it's still gorgeous. This one, I love how the orange popped on this one. Just fabulous, especially against that, sort of turquoise blue base. There's the last one. You can really see that base coat on the corners coming through. Oh, so pleased. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you hear when I have more videos. This is part of our Friday with Friends paint train, so please check the description box for the list of the artists tonight. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.